What's up, everybody? It's Larry here. Today we're going to be doing an upgrade to my Mac Pro. This is the late 2013 edition, and I purchased the 4-core version knowing that I would be doing some upgrades through time. And the first one that I'm going to do is the memory upgrade. The one that I originally purchased came with 12 gigs of RAM, which was 3 sticks of 4 gigs. So it took up 3 slots out of the 4 and gave me 12 gigs of RAM. Now I'm going to upgrade to 32 gigs of RAM, which is 2 16 sticks, so it leaves 2 more open. And I'm going to be using Crucial Memory that I purchased from Amazon, and there'll be a link for that down below. So as you can see there, this is the 32 gig kit. This is the Nova bench score before I changed out the RAM. This is with the 12 gigs of RAM. So we'll do this before, and then I will show you afterwards what the benchmark looks like with the 32 gigs of Crucial Memory in it. Here's the packaging for the Crucial Memory, 32 gigs. Like I said, I ordered this from Amazon. They sell it on their website, Crucial's website, but it is actually $50 more expensive than Amazon. So I'll leave the Amazon link down below. And here we take off the cover to reveal the, like I said, 3 sticks of RAM that I will be removing and then adding in the 2, which I will just use slots 1 and 2. You cannot add the new memory and use the old memory. It just won't boot up. It'll beep and you have errors. So just so you know, I did have the thought about leaving 2 of the 4 gigs in slots 3 and 4, but that is not an option. You would definitely have to get matching memory sticks. And these 32 gig memory sticks are $400 for the set. So later on, I'll be doing that next upgrade with 32 more gigs. So you easily remove them just by pushing on the little arrow tab at the top, which releases them, pull them out of the slots, and then you're ready to install. Each one at the bottom is labeled 1, 2 on the left, and 3 and 4 on the right hand side of the Mac Pro. I'll just close up the right hand side because obviously we're not using it with only 2 sticks. Get this package open. And while opening this package, I sliced my thumb. And it wasn't too bad, but I will take a little break here to throw on a Band-Aid because I don't want to get blood all over my memory. And I'm back with a fresh Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle Band-Aid. No, not because I'm GeekyNerdDad, but just because I'm a dad, and that's all the only Band-Aids I have in the house is that and like Jake and the Neverland Pirates and Monsters Inc. So I went with the ultra cool Ninja Turtles. So these can only go in one way. The notch is offset to one side, and on the slots 1 and 2, that is at the bottom. And they easily go in. You do have to give it a little push to make sure it clicks into place, to make sure that it's seated. So don't feel that you have to be super gentle when you're pushing it in. Give it a little force and make sure that it clicks into place. If it doesn't, when you fire it up, it'll just tell you that either if one is not seated, it'll just say you only have 16 gigs instead of the 32 or whatever, and then you just take it back apart and make sure they're seated. But it's good practice just to make sure it clips in, and then you just push it back down in. Those 2 trays snap in behind there, and then we'll just put the cap and the beautiful dark black cover on and lock it back, and that's it. Really simple upgrade for this. So I'll take it over to the monitor, my desk, and we'll get everything plugged back in, and then I will show you the benchmark. And this is to show you the upgrade. Go to About Mac, More Info, and you can see right there it says 32 gigs of RAM. Open it up, and then memory, and it shows that I have 2 16 gig sticks in slot 1 and 2, and 3 and 4 are empty. And then here's the Nova benchmark score. As you can see, it has increased pretty much overall, but really just the memory has is really all we're really looking at. Is the went up to 259 from the lower score and with the 12 gigs. And here you can see this is the version that I bought, the quad core with the dual GPU. And if we scroll down, you can see the memory upgrades. 12 is what it comes with. You have the 16, which gives you 4 sticks instead of 3 4-sticks, and that's an extra $100. Now the upgrade that I did, which is the 32, which is an extra $500, which I only paid 4. But the difference is it gives you 4 8 gigs. So you have every slot taken, and you're not available to go up to the 64 without changing all of them out again, which, as you can see, the 64 is 4 16s, and that's $1,300. So when I go to 64, I'll have paid $800. So that's a $500 savings, so not bad, and $100 for the savings for what I've done just today. So that's going to be about it. Feel free to leave me a comment down below if you have any questions. Give me a like if you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe down below to make sure you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. We have more stuff coming with the MacPro. Lots of reviews coming. We do lots of unboxings and just a lot of cool geeky things we have in the works. So this is Larry. I will see you guys next time in the next video. Until then, see ya.